Mr. Beetle's
many rooms. Mr. Beetle's house has a tiny house with 5 branches. He posted a sign in front of his house that read, "This house of 5 rooms belongs to Mr. Beetle. No trespassing." Vidre a new branch sprouted from the tiny plant. Within a few months, the house grew ito isa small tree. All sorts of animals came to live above Mr. Beetle's rooms. And because of that, he decided to leave his house. But before Mr. Beetle's properly live on his neighbors surprise him with cake and balloons. Mr. Beetle could not believe it. He made a speech. Says it made rooms for all of us and just for me. And he decided not to live anymore.